Hey guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my channel. I got this request about strategies for TOEFL reading, fill in the table questions from one of my subscribers. Honestly, I would like to make this video long time ago, but it was really difficult to find a sample question of fill in the table questions. But I finally found it. So I'm here to talk about the most difficult question in TOEFL reading. Fill in the table questions. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. Fill in the table questions and summary questions both are the final questions in TOEFL reading, but you will only see one of them in the reading passage. Summary questions are more common than fill in the table questions, but you need to practice more on fill in the table questions just in case. I made a video about how to answer summary questions before. Some of the strategies are similar since both of them are final questions. Here's a fill in the table question. I put the link in the description below. This is the question direction. No need to read it again if you already know it. They are almost the same. Go directly to the tables. One is about hypotheses related to purpose. The other is about hypotheses related to manner. Purpose and manner are the two key words. If you don't answer the questions in order, you definitely don't know what it is about. So I often suggest you solve problems in order so that you can grab more information from the previous questions. So TOEFL designs questions specially in order so you can finish them in 15 minutes. Although the reading passage was for old TOEFL before 2019, you could still practice on it. Then check out the answer choices. Try to eliminate the wrong answers if you can. Number 1. Coloration provides protection. If you answer question 10 before, one of the answers is this. Effect of coloration is multiplied when fish are massed together. Then you will know number 1 is correct. Number 2, lateral sense organs enable fish to school. Just grab keywords from the sentence. If you answer question 18, there is some related information about lateral light system. The lateral light system likely able fish to school. So you will know number 2 is correct. Number 3, sight provides protection. Question 14 is about sight. So I know not all fish use sight to remain in schools. But sight is not a protection. So number 3 is wrong. Number 4, coloration enables fish move. Question 10 is about color, but it says coloration is multiplied when fish are together. But it doesn't mention coloration could let fish move. In the article, coloration makes it more difficult for a predator to focus on specific members of school. Coloration provides protection. So number 4 is wrong. Number 5, large numbers provide protection. Question 9 is about fish numbers. It cannot consume all members if the school is large enough, which means numbers of fish helps protection. So number 5 is correct. Number 6, sight enables fish to school. I'm not sure about this, but question 14 is related to sight. I know there's some information about sight in paragraph 3. We could put a question mark here. Number 7, lateral sense organs provide protection. It's very similar to number 2. Sometimes similar answer choices indicate one of them may be wrong. But here question 12 is about lateral sense organs. See, the fish in a large school use lateral light organs to send out warnings. So number 7 is correct. We eliminate 2 wrong answer choices and have 1 uncertain choice through this step. It will help you sort out the answers later. Remember to check the answer choices and eliminate the wrong answers first. Here, I don't know if you find some patterns from the answer choices. Number 1, 5, 7 are all about provide protection. Number 2 and 6 are about enable fish to school. Maybe these are connections, since one table lists 3 answers while the other lists 2. If you run out of time, you could make an education guess. But we still go back to the passage to make sure you get the answers correct. One strong feature of fill-in-the-table questions is that the answers of the same table are usually in the same paragraph, or their positions in the reading are very close to each other. Plus, the paragraphs of answers cover 2 or 3 main ideas. Like this one, it has 2 main ideas. One is hypothesis about purpose. The other one is hypothesis about manner. I usually start from the table with fewer answer choices because it's easy to figure out all answers. So we start with the table with hypothesis related to manner. When you try to locate the position of answers, read the first sentence of each paragraph. The first sentence of the paragraph usually summarizes the main idea. But no need to start from the first paragraph since it's the introduction of the reading. See, the second paragraph is about the purpose of schooling behavior in fish. So it's about the first table, purpose hypothesis. Then we keep skimming. The first sentence of the third paragraph is how fish manage to maintain their tide formations. How to maintain is about manner. So it's for the second table, manner hypothesis. If you don't understand this sentence, don't worry. You could make an education guess since the other paragraph is about purpose hypothesis. From the third paragraph, we already find this sentence is related to answer number 2. Then skim through the whole paragraph. Use your mouse to guide you from sentence to sentence. This sentence, size play a role in the ability of fish to move in schools. This says exactly like answer number 6. So number 6 and number 2 are the correct answers for the second table, manner hypothesis. Now we know number 1, 5, and 7 will be the correct answers for the table of purpose hypothesis. But we go to the second paragraph to double check. Okay, skim through. Okay, this sentence is about numbers. Okay, so usually the last sentence is to give you more details. So you could move fast to the next sentence. So here's another form of protection. So it's about coloration. So then the final form of protection comes from a special sense. Okay, and then this special sense is related to a set of lateral line organs. Pay attention to these transition words. They are hints to help you find the answers. So the 2 most important steps to answer fill-in-the-table questions are checking answer choices and finding them in the paragraphs. The faster you could eliminate the wrong answer choices and find the correct choices positions in the paragraph, the faster you could sort them out and fill in the table. Practice more on reading and skimming skills and improve your understanding. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya!